Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make an easy and effective fat melter drink. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan and to this add 2 cups of water. To this add 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cloves and half piece of lemon. Let this boil for 4 to 5 minutes in medium heat. Now it's nicely boiling and the essence of the ingredients are well extracted to the water. Go with good quality of cinnamon for best results. Cinnamon helps with weight loss by increasing insulin sensitivity and lowering blood sugar levels. It helps with reduction of fat storage and promotes fat burning. Cloves also increase metabolism, manages blood sugar levels and help to reduce inflammation. Lemon improves digestion and reduces water retention. It's been 5 minutes, so off the flame and strain and add it to a mug like this. You can reuse the cinnamon and cloves to make another batch of this drink. Then to this add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Choose an ACV with mother vinegar. It is high in healthful substances, helps to kill harmful bacteria, helps to lower blood sugar levels and manages diabetics, aids weight loss, boosts heart and skin health and helps in weight loss as they break down the fat cells and convert them to energy. You can consume this drink as such or you can also include honey to it. It's totally optional. Give it a quick mix and a fat melted drink is ready to consume. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this fat melted drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Today I've taken apple cider vinegar. Brand is totally optional. Choose an ACV with mother vinegar. It is high in healthful substances, helps to kill harmful bacteria, helps to lower blood sugar levels and manage diabetics, aids weight loss, boosts heart and skin health and helps in weight loss as they break down the fat cells and convert them to energy. Add a tablespoon of ACV to a mug like this. The next ingredient is lemon. You will need about a tablespoon of lemon juice. So half the lemon is more than sufficient. Add it to the mug. Lemon on the other hand boosts your metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Fennel is high in nutrients such as fiber, vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium and manganese. It contains powerful plant compounds. It suppresses appetite and thus the calorie intake is reduced to a great extent. It is very good for your heart health. It also has cancer fighting properties. Cinnamon has a lot of medicinal properties. It is loaded with antioxidants, has anti-inflammatory properties, reduces the risk of heart disease, lowers blood sugar levels and protects against cancer. Then add in a teaspoon of chamomile. Chamomile has a lot of health benefits such as it reduces weight, treats diabetics, lowers blood sugar levels, reduces inflammation, helps in weight loss, prevents cancer, helps with sleep and relaxation, treats cold symptoms and also treats skin condition. Now to this add 1 cup of warm water and mix it well. Let this rest for a while. Then strain and add it to a mug like this. Drink this 10 minutes prior to going to bed and also make sure to have your dinner before an hour to drinking this fat cutter drink. This drink improves your metabolism while you are in sleep and cut down the belly fat. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.